Okay, sellers, listen up. Right now, there is a lot going on with this government shutdown. We are all anticipating, when will the government open back up? Will they pay back salary to the employees, right? We're hearing that they aren't. They're donors, secret donors that are covering the expenses for our military. Thank God. But what I want you guys to know is, do not start trying to sell your house or take some equity out in your home. Listen, do whatever you got to do to survive, okay? But be careful. Read the paperwork. Know the terms that you are signing up for, okay? Understand your numbers, right? There is this one, it's almost like you pulling out out from your equity, but you're not directly taking from your equity, so the company says. Instead, this company buys into your equity, right? So for example, if they see that you own your home free and clear, okay? And in today's market, the house is worth $400,000. They may offer you up front up to $120,000, and they will deposit that into your account as if it was a home line of equity. But instead of you paying interest on that money, you have sold up to 49% of your future equity, which means that if at the end of the day you got to sell your house for whatever reason, this company that gave you the $120,000 up front based off of your equity, let's just say worst case scenario, you sold that for 49%. That's basically 50% of your equity when you tie in the fees, because they also charge you fees. You got your realtor fees and you got taxes. You're going to always have to pay on that. So let's just say that's 50%. So when you go to sell your house, instead of you getting back $400,000 and you're only paying them back $120,000 and they get back $80,000, that's what you would think, right? No, they're going to get back $200,000, okay? Plus the $120,000 that you owe them, because they fronted you that money based off of your equity, but really you sold them the equity, and you have to pay the $120 back, the $120,000 plus the 50% of your equity. So that means that on a house that you would have walked away with $400,000, right? If you figure something else out and don't make a drastic decision because times are hard, there are companies that are preying on homeowners. So I'm bringing this to your awareness. If someone calls you and they're trying to, do a refinance or give you a loan based off of your equity, understand that the terms can change what that is quickly. Right? The average consumer does not know what they don't know. When in doubt, contact a realtor or a loan officer that you know, like, or trust. I tell my clients typically to call their bank, the bank that's holding their mortgage, and run the play by them, because they're going to tell you the terms based off of the loan that you already have, okay? I don't want this to go too deep, but I just want my sellers to beware. And before you do anything, make sure that you understand the paperwork and the verbiage and the terms, like all of that. There's a lot for you to understand. All right, bye.